So today we're going to take a look at how you can make a simple motion background in DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty simple. All you want to do is you want to find a background or a pattern, something geometric pattern based, maybe like a gradient, and you want to drag that onto your timeline. And all we're going to do is we'll zoom out slightly. We're going to make this about a second long. So there we are, that's a second long. And the other thing I want to do is the black bars, you want to make sure that you've got room to move. So I'm just going to put the zoom at 1.5. This image is a lot greater in pixels than our timeline. This is just 1080p timeline. So now we have room to move. I'm just going to zoom in again a little bit for what we're going to do next. And next we're going to set some motion in place. We're going to click this little diamond icon here on our image layer, because in a second that should drop down. What we have to do first is go to the position. We're just going to click this little diamond again, and once we've clicked that we should be able to click this, and as you can see we now have that diamond on our timeline right at the end. I'm going to drag this to the other end. All I'm going to do is change the position by 100 on each. You can change this to do whatever suits your needs. I'm purely doing this just to show evidence that this is what you can do, and you can mix it up and do what you like. So once we've done this, we have now established movement going one way. We're going to drag another one of these onto the timeline. I'm just going to zoom out slightly, make this 1.5 on the zoom. Again, you want to keep all of these the same. So we're just going to drag this down to a second long, and there we are, we have another second. So now we're on this timeline, we want to start where we finished off on the previous clip. So we want to put the position in at 100 on each. So we put the position in at 100. If we click the little diamond and we click that one there, and now if we zoom in to the end, you can see that we have our new point started on the end of this second image. So we drag this to the end of this image and we set it back to where we began. So we'll start it at 0, put 0 in the other side as well, and now if we go back to the beginning, you'll see that we have this image that moves backwards and forwards. If you want to duplicate this for the whole video, you can just copy it like that, and you just paste it as much as you want, and wherever you start it and stop it in the video, you'll see that it keeps on moving and it brings forward those position transform points with it. So that's how you create a simple motion background in DaVinci Resolve. Like I say, you can play around with the points and create your own type of movement and speed. But thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.